Hello everyone. Here is a question of joint PDF. The joint PDF of xy is given by f of xy equals to k6 minus x minus y for x less than 2 greater than 0, comma y less than 4 greater than 2. F of xy equals to 0 otherwise. Find question number 1 k, question number 2 probability of x less than 1, comma y less than 3. Question number 3, probability of x plus y less than 3. Question number 4, probability of x less than 1 when y equals to 3 given. Question number 5, probability of x less than 1 when y less than 3 given. Question number 1 and question number 4 already solved in the previous video lectures. Question number 1 is solved in the video lecture of bivariate distribution for continuous random variable. Question number 4 is solved in the marginal density function. Here in this lecture, I am going to solve question number 2, 3 and 5. The joint PDF of xy is given by f of xy equals to k 6 minus x minus y when x less than 2 greater than 0, y less than 4 greater than 2. F of xy equals to 0 otherwise. Find k, find probability for x less than 1, comma y less than 3. Find probability of x plus y less than 3. Find probability for x less than 1 when y equals to 3 given. Find probability for x less than 1 when y less than 3 given. We can find the value of k, and which is 1 by 8. Now we have to find probability for x less than 1, comma y less than 3. Let us try to understand this given region in the diagram. Here, this is the x-axis and this one is y-axis, and x less than 2 greater than 0. For that, x equals to 2 line drawn and y-axis is the x equals to 0 line. So x less than 2 means the left hand side of x equals to 2 line, and x greater than 0 means the right hand side of the x equals to 0 line. Then for y less than 4 and y greater than 2, y equals to 2 and y equals to 4 straight line drawn. Y less than 4 means the downside of y equals to 4 line. Y greater than 2 means the upside of the y equals to 2 line. So this shaded region is the given region in the question. Now we have to find probability for x less than 1, comma y less than 3. Let us try to understand the region in the diagram. Here we have drawn x equals to 1 straight line and y equals to 3 straight line. Now x less than 1 means the left side of the x equals to 1 line, and y less than 3 means the downside of the y equals to 3 line. So the red shaded region is the given region what we have to find the probability of. Now the probability for x less than 1 greater than 0, comma y less than 3 greater than 2 is integration 2 to 3 integration 0 to 1 by 8 6 minus x minus y dx dy. Now let us first do the integration with respect to x, then 6x minus x square by 2 minus yx, and limits are 0 to 1. Putting the limits, we are getting 6 minus half minus y. Now 6 minus half is 11 by 2. Let's do integration with respect to y. Then we are getting 11 by 2y minus y square by 2. Limits are 2 and 3. Putting the limits, we are getting 3 by 8. Next question, we have to find probability for x plus y less than 3. The straight line x plus y equals to 3 drawn in the diagram. Now x plus y less than 3 means the downside of the x plus y equals to 3 line. And y greater than 2 means the upside of y equals to 2 line. And x greater than 0 means right side of the x equals to 0 line. So this red shaded region is the region for what we have to find the probability. Here we have taken this small triangle and the horizontal and vertical strips also taken to understand the limits. Probability of x plus y less than 3 is limits for y 2 and 3, limits for x 0 and 3 minus y. Because the horizontal strip starts at x equals to 0 and ends on the straight line x plus y equals to 3, here x equals to 3 minus y. So x limits are 0 and 3 minus y. And y limit starts from the line y equals to 2 and ends on the top of y. The top of y is 3. So y limits are 2 and 3. Now let us find the integration. First let's do the integration with respect to x. 6x minus x square by 2 minus yx. Limits are 0 and 3 minus y. Then putting the limits, we are getting 18 minus 6y minus 9 by 2 plus 3y minus y square by 2 minus 3y plus y square. After cancellation and simplification, we have got 27 by 2 minus 6y plus y square by 2. Then integrating with respect to y, we have got 27 by 2y minus 6y square by 2 plus y cube by 6. Limits are 2 and 3. After putting the limits and simplification, we have got the result as 5 by 24. Now we have to find the probability for x less than 1 when y less than 3 given. Probability for x less than 1 when y less than 3. By the definition of conditional probability, it can be written as probability for x less than 1 greater than 0, comma, y less than 3 greater than 2 divided by probability for y less than 3 greater than 2. So this is nothing but the double integration 2 to 3 integration 0 to 1 f of xy dx dy divided by integration 2 to 3 f of y dy, which is equals to integration 2 to 3 integration 0 to 1 1 by 8 6 minus x minus y dx dy divided by integration 2 to 3 fyy is 1 by 4 5 minus y dy. Now this much already we have found, and that was 3 by 8, and below let us do this 1 by 4 5y minus y square by 2, limits are 2 to 3. So it is 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 4, and this is 15 minus 9 by 2 minus 10 plus 2. 3 by 8. 15 minus 10 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 9 by 2 is 14 minus 9 by 2. That is 5 by 2. And 4 into 2 is 8. So 5 by 8, which is 3 by 5.